Okay, while I'm over here, I might as well grab one of these squash here. This squash is just now starting to grow and produce flowers, but there are a few of them that I've noticed in the garden that are ready. Have a little bit of ants on them, but look like they're growing. That one is nice and tender. This is the part when I like to take them and eat them while they're still small and tender. Also, I have over here a zucchini. I'm gonna move this camera over here. A cabbage and a zucchini, which I'll go ahead and take today. I may take some Swiss chard. So with this one, I don't have my knife on me, so all I'm gonna do is just twist it. See if it comes off. Comes right off. So it's a nice zucchini. And I think I'm gonna take this cabbage here too. It's toward the end of the summer. I think the cabbage is ready. I've been having it here for a while. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take this cabbage up. I have to get something to cut it. Didn't bring my knife, so I'll make sure I bring that out. Wow, that thing is big. I think that's a good thing. And over here, I do have some more squash. I'm sorry, I think those are zucchinis that are back here. So I'm gonna grab one. So I have two of them here. So this is a nice zucchini, nice healthy one. So I'm gonna eat some squash and zucchini. Chop that up, saute it, throw some arugula in there with it, some cabbage, and we can call that a day. So I'm excited about what's going on in the garden.